If you need to share your screen in AnyDesk, whether it's for a quick support session, a team meeting, or helping someone troubleshoot a problem, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. And if this helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, make sure both devices have AnyDesk installed. You and the other person should both open the AnyDesk app on your computers. Once the app loads, you'll see your unique AnyDesk address or alias displayed at the top of the window. This is the code you'll use to connect the two devices. Next, send your address to the person who wants to view your screen. If someone is helping you, give them your 9-digit AnyDesk ID or your alias so they can connect to your device. And if you are the one viewing someone else's screen, then you'll need to ask them for their ID instead. This is the key step because the connection can only start once the correct address is shared. Now let's move to the connection step. On your AnyDesk window, go to the remote desk bar at the top of the screen. Type in the remote device's AnyDesk address exactly as it appears. Double check the number or alias so you don't connect to the wrong device. After that, click Connect. AnyDesk will now try to establish the remote session between both devices. Once the connection request goes through, the other person will see a prompt on their screen. This is where they can accept the session. If you are the one sharing your screen, you'll need to approve the incoming request before the other person can see or control anything. In the acceptance window, you can also customize the permissions before you click accept. For example, you can allow the viewer to only watch, or you can let them use the keyboard and mouse, share audio, and interact with your device more directly. When you're ready, click the green accept button to start the session. And just like that, your screen sharing session in AnyDesk is live. From there, the other person can see your screen, and depending on the permissions you chose, they may also be able to interact with it. If something doesn't connect right away, just make sure both devices are online, AnyDesk is open on both ends, and the address was entered correctly. That usually solves most connection issues, so that's how to share screen in AnyDesk quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.